Although if I see you with water, you're gonna dip your brush, I'm gonna yell.
I'm scared. Okay, anyways.
Last time on Let's Get This Art Bread, Yeet. Why do I keep doing art videos when I'm clearly terrible at it? I think being in an enclosed room full of Sharpie and paint fumes is frying my brain. I'm scared, but let's get this art grain anyways.
Hello everyone, it's me, your boy, back at it again with another crackhead idea. Okay, so for today's crackhead video, actually, let me tell you about it. So you know that challenge that's been going around where people have been showing pictures of themselves from 10 years ago? I got a little bit of inspiration from that, but instead of showing you guys those pictures, I'm actually gonna paint one of those pictures. Because apparently I'm an art channel now, so that's fun. So because of that challenge, I had to go through my Facebook and look at a lot of scary, terrifying memories. We're just gonna take a quick trip down memory lane. Which one? Which one? Okay, I kind of want to do this one because I feel like I can make it look like a Renaissance painting.
Because it kind of looks like a demon.
But at the same time, maybe I should paint one that's more of like my actual face. That one's super far away. Okay, let me think about this rationally. Give me a second. This was actually one of the hardest choices that I've ever had to make. It was like picking between which child you love the most. Because obviously I know what that's like. Why did I say that? Okay, I'm gonna do this one.
Because I want so much more on brand. That's on brand.
What's my brand? Being a crackhead. Hello, crackhead.
Pretty much.
Crack. Okay, so the first thing we want to do, vegetable oil. Just kidding.
Freeze! Stand right there. Alright, put your hands up. Nice and slow.
Okay, I think I'm gonna... Yes.
Yes.
So I have a vision. So we're gonna do me right here in the middle, and then the background, you'll see as it happens. I don't know why I keep on doing drawing and painting videos. I don't even know if I'm getting better. Like, am I improving at all? Or is my drawing skills declining? So if there's anything you know about me from watching all my drawing and art videos, is that I'm terrible at drawing proportions. So I just might be like 80% body and like 20% legs after I finish. Can you see that? Hello. This is a nice sweater. Where did this go? Oh, it's probably gone. This was literally from like 10 years ago. What the hell is wrong with my hand? It looks like a crab claw. Can you see that, or is that too bright? So there's that. Oh no, I think I gave myself a Squidward nose.
Oh no.
I think I forgot the hood, but that's okay. She doesn't need it. She can keep herself warm. Okay, well, you know what? It doesn't have to be accurate. We can just make it up as we go along. Ta-da! Okay. All done. I think the proportions are off, but that's okay.
No,
I was supposed to have legs. Hello, crackheads. Oh, you know what this looks like? You know that Vine where that kid sprays water on that Asian kid and then he takes his backpack and hits that girl? This kind of reminds me of that. Anyways, we're gonna paint this. Okay, so first, liquid white. And we have the actual liquid white. Hello. Ooh. Should I do the whole thing in liquid white first?
Yeah.
Or just the background? Won't it paint over the...
The lines will see through. Just do
Oh, really?
you have to do a very light layer.
A very light layer. Well, here we go.
Yeah. But is the line showing through?
They're kind of getting wiped away. Oh god, I'm scared.
Because you want the liquid white on the pencil, because then, well, not on the pencil, but like where your face is, so that the oil paints will blend in.
Maybe I'll just do like a...
Just, yeah, press.
Oh, this works so much better. I was so scared. I was like, oh no, all my hard work. So we're just gonna use a stippling motion to apply the foundation. This is scary. Oh, I feel like you can actually see it on the camera now. This made the pencil more
Darker.
like pigmented. Or yeah, darker. Hello, pigment. Hey, look, dab me. Ew. Liquid white, done. No more vegetable oil. Wow, you guys, I actually have some character development. Or when I did my first painting, it was good old vegetable oil. I feel like it didn't work that bad though. Maybe I'll do my skin first. Not this one? This one? Which is the skin color?
Good thing my friend was in the room. She taught my dumbass how to make a skin color mixing different paints.
I was gonna use like straight up yellow.
I was like, I could see that. I was like, oh no.
I mean...
She's gonna be like racist, flagging you down.
Demonetized. So we're gonna do a little bit of mixing. We're gonna make a yummy skin tone. Is this how they make foundation? Oh my god. There we go. Oop. Oh no. Ah! Seems dark. Maybe I need more yellow. 10 minutes later, this whole sheet is covered. Will this turn skin color? Let's try.
How did you get like gray like that? What did you do?
What? I'm confused.
I'm confused how you got gray.
Okay, anyways, I'm just gonna be a dead person in this picture. This is a funeral session for me 10 years ago. Hello.
Hello.
The gremlin. Why is it so gray? This looks like BB cream.
Oh, that's more promising if it looks like BB cream.
Yeah, when BB cream's like straight up gray. Gremlin. Okay, so her foundation's a little streaky, but that's okay, we'll just blend it out. Oh my god, this is scary. Oh, I guess I forgot I have like a neck, so I can paint that in too. My lip color is a little pink. So I'll add a bit of red to the skin color. Hopefully this works. Oh my god. Okay, well, I think that's too red, but that's okay. It looks like I was eating children. Oh, and we can use this red for the binder, because I know the binder is red. Wow, multitasking. Oops, I am definitely not coloring within the lines. Brown? Is my hair black or brown? Why am I asking you like it's not my own hair? Brownish black? Hello. Well, I'm glad the colors are pretty simple and they're not too crazy. Another thing, if you didn't know, I'm bad at mixing colors. I spent like 20 minutes making all of this just for like that little part right there. Ooh. Oops, sorry. Okay, so we're gonna use this Morphe line brush to draw the lines. I know this is supposed to be like a funny video, but I'm actually trying every time I draw, just so you guys know. Oh no. Well, it's fine, we're just gonna put black on it anyways. Oh my god. Why is this harder than like a Bob Ross painting? Also, I feel like this arm's just being useless. How can I feel like this is a very seductive like pose. How's that? Good? Sure. Hello, gray pants. Oh, it kind of looks the same as the other. Why did I even mix the paint?
Right now I'm in a state I wanna be in my car.
Ew. I look like one of those scary monkeys from The Wizard of Oz. You know the ones?
Stop. Stop. Stop it.
Just looks like a nice little helmet of hair. Also, there's not a lot of definition. It just looks like someone dumped some chocolate on my head and it's just like melting on my face. But that's okay. Ooh, this black is so smooth. Oh yeah, who told me to use water in the comments last time? Because apparently you're not supposed to do that. Who is trying to sabotage me? All I want to do is just make art. Okay, this part is kind of confusing me. What is what? I think this is an arm. Okay, on the camera, it actually looks like a B+ painting.
Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up.
It looks okay on camera. There's like a nice filter on the camera. This is what you look like when you have a filter on. And then when you go up close. Oh, you can't even see. Let me finish it first and then we'll see.
It doesn't look bad, actually.
Anyways. Oh my god. Hello, black eyebrows. So last time Elaine lent me her place, I was here basically by myself and she gave me some turpentine and she was like, this is brush cleaner. And apparently it's really toxic, so I cleaned all the brushes with it. And while I was cleaning, I was like, why do my nostrils burn?
I left it there going, oh, you could just use it as a prop.
Oh yeah.
I think you were actually gonna like use it.
Oh, I didn't mix this paint really well. There's like chunks. Oopsie daisies. Does that look like, what is going on? This looks so confusing. I feel like my brain is clocking it right now. And now I need some eyeballs so I can see. Here come the eyeballs.
You know what you look like here? You look like the Hamburglar.
Hello, Hamburglar. Give me all your burgers. What was the point of him even? Top 10 anime fights.
Disgusting.
The which one?
This SpongeBob remade us anime opening theme with
Yes.
Darling and Frank's
Oh,
theme.
that was actually really good. I like almost cried. I'm using a technique to add texture. Oh my god, I'm actually learning. I'm getting stronger after every painting. I know it doesn't look like it, but it's kind of happening. Okay, so on to our favorite part, the eyeliner. Ooh, hello glasses. I can see. Sorry for bringing you to this world. Ooh, that's actually not a bad nose. At first it kind of looked like Squidward's nose, but now it looks... Do I have a Squidward nose? I'm scared. I think I overlined her lips a little bit. That's okay. I feel like the teeth are gonna be really hard to draw. But how much precision do I have? Not a lot. Oh no. Hello, teeth. It just looks like I have two big front teeth and then the rest are just kind of smeared black. Kind of accurate. Remember how I said I was bad at proportions? I was supposed to have the whole picture in this portrait, but as you can see, I have no feet. Also, I have a lobster claw. Also, I feel like my body proportions, I'm just kind of like a body that was cut in half that was just placed on top of these hot dog legs. So it kind of looks like that I'm flying. I'm like flapping my wings and flying. So I'm gonna make it look like I'm in the sky. What color is the sky? This one? Sure. I feel like I'm gonna go home and there's gonna be paint all over here and then like on my sleeve, probably in my hair as well. You know, the skin tone actually looks okay. I just look slightly like a corpse, but that's okay. I feel like that when I'm at work sometimes. Just a little bit corpse-like. Oh, why is that so blue? I tried to make like this like pale white yellowish color, but now it's kind of like diluted pea. I think I just made my skin tone. Well, here we have some flesh-colored clouds. Okay, I think that's it. Hello, me from 10 years ago. You look scary. Ew, I think I need to exfoliate. I also only have like 5 teeth. Where did the rest go? Well, this was when I was 10 years old. Wait, no, this is 10 years ago. Maybe my teeth haven't grown in yet. The sky looks nice. Ooh, look at that realistic sky. Some nice yellow clouds. Oh, there's a little hair there. Hello. Anyways, there's that. Why did I do this again? Oh yeah, 10 years challenge. What should I paint next? What other memes? Should I paint that egg that broke Kylie Jenner's record?
I didn't record an outro cause my tiny brain can only handle a few tasks at once. If you like my content and want to support me, give this video a like and a comment. That helps out my engagement and the algorithm will recommend this ugly video for the crackheads to consume. Goodbye for now, hee hee.